In today's tutorials, we are going to look at bearings. Okay. All right. So bearings, so far as core math is concerned, is very, very important. All right. So talking about bearings, there are three things you need to know. All right. So in case you have this, okay. So we have our north, we have our west, our east, and then our south. All right. So with the bearings, the measurement, okay, we start from the north, then we rotate in a clockwise direction. Okay. Now you cannot start from the north here, okay, then rotate in this side. No. So this is wrong. So under bearing, we start from the north, then rotate clockwise. All right. Now I cannot start from the east here. Neither can you start from the south here or this side. Okay. So always we start from the north and rotate clockwise. Okay. So north. So the direction is in a clockwise direction. All right. Okay. Now, one more thing. Now, from the north to east here, okay, is 90 degrees. And then from north to south is 180. It means that east south, okay, from 90 degrees. So we have 90 here. Then west, then south, okay, southwest also from 90. Then west north, yeah, 90. So in all, we have 90 times 4, making 360 degrees. So this one is the same as angle at a point. So angle at a point add up to 360 degrees. All right. Okay, we can also talk about the representation of the angles. In case you are solving a question like this and you get something like, let's say, 40 degrees. Now, remember the angles are supposed to be in 3 degrees. So your 40 here will be 0 for 0 degrees. It means that we measure from north 0, 0 is okay to 360 degrees. So we start from 0, 0 to 360 degrees. All right. Okay, so that is the intro about the bearings. All right, so we are going to look at the examples one by one. All right.